Princess Tiara here, and today I am coming to you with a really cute and fun video. So right now I currently have in a frontal, and this is the ALIJULIA hair from AliExpress, and I have on a 20-inch frontal, a 22, a 24, and a 26 bundles. So I'm going to be showing you 3 of my favorite hairstyles that I like to wear when I am wearing a frontal. This is my very first frontal ever, so I'm kind of learning as I go how to like do new hairstyles and stuff like that. But I don't do anything crazy, but I do like to switch it up more than just a middle part, a side part, I'm sorry. Okay, so enough of me rambling, let's get right into the video. So for this hairstyle, all you need is like a couple of body, like big bouncy curls. So I'm just going to flat iron curl my entire head, and then I'll get to styling how I like to wear my hair with curls. And you really only need to curl the ends for the styles that I am going for. If you guys would like for me to make an in-depth tutorial of how I flat iron curl my long hair to get like big bouncy body beach wave curls, then just let me know. And I'm doing really big sections because I don't want my curls to be tight. I just want them to have like a little spice at the ends. Okay, so now that this side is pretty much curled and like cute little bouncy curlies, I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. Okay, so this is my very first style that I like to wear when I am wearing my hair down. I kind of feel like I got like an ALIJULIA vibe going on because she used to wear her bang to the front like this. And I just have a couple curls down in the bottom, and that's it for that one. I also like to spruce it up a bit just by pushing my hair behind my ear, and then I would just curl my little baby hair right here. So this is another style that I like to wear. Okay, so for style number 2, I kind of pretty much leave my hair the same way that it is, but we're going to be doing a low ponytail. This was like one of the styles that I really wanted, and one of the reasons why I even got a frontal. So you already have your curls, you can actually wear this curled. I like to do it curl just because it gives it a little bit more flavor. And I just take a scrunchie, any type of bow that you have. I use black because my hair is black. And I just push everything to the side. And I'm just going to make sure it stays flat. And I'm just going to put my hair into a ponytail. And just so that it can be even more flat, I'll just flatten out my sides with the flat iron, or you can use a hot comb. And this is the second look. So for the very last hairstyle that I like to do is, this is just so that I can get out of my face, like if you're going somewhere serious or you want something different. So I would just separate like a piece here, maybe a little bit more there. So I take a piece here and separate it, and then I'm gonna leave this because I just think this little thingy is so cute. And so I'm also going to take a piece here. And I like to take my comb to flatten out this. I'm just going to send this piece here to the back. Like so. I'm going to take this piece and just connect it back there. And that is all for the third style. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Leave some more styles below in the comments that you guys like to wear, because so far I've only did like 4. And I know that a frontal is very, very versatile, so you can wear it however you would like to wear it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at EssenceTiara1. That's EssenceTiara1. I do follow back, so follow me and I'll just follow you back. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.